Welcome everybody, my name is Daryl, and in this course you are going to learn how to make an amazing and beautiful WordPress website step by step. Now we're going to make a very nice and modern style website that, fits up with today's current day trends. It's 2017 guys, so we got to make sure that we're making beautiful WordPress websites. And even if you're a complete beginner and you have no experience whatsoever or no knowledge of coding, not to worry, because this theme is extremely easy to learn. In this tutorial, you can expect to master WordPress. Now let me just give you all a quick example of how this page builder works and how easy it is to make a website. So I have this section right here, and let's just say I want to go ahead and drag this down. Let's say I want to go over here and change this title. Maybe I want Bing. Simple, done. And scrolling down here, I might want to change this section right here to something like the best course ever. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so this is how you guys make websites now today with the Divi theme. But you can't do this unless you're not using the Divi theme, because the Divi theme has included a front end editor, and it makes it super easy now for anybody now to make a website. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to focus more on design and also mastering WordPress and mastering the Divi theme. And for those of you who have been around for a while and you messed around with Divi, I'm going to teach you guys a little bit more about custom CSS. So even if you're advanced, we will talk more about that a little bit later. So if you want to brush up your skills, this is the course. And if you are a complete beginner and you want to create beautiful and modern style websites, this is the course for you. Now, if you guys check out my other courses, I teach a lot of Divi tutorials, I teach a lot of WordPress, and I am a top rated instructor with all of my courses being around 4.5 stars or better with over 9,000 students. So you guys can trust me that you guys will be making really professional websites with this course. Now, a little bit about me, guys. My name is Daryl, and I teach WordPress tutorials on a bunch of different websites. My website receives around 30,000 page views a month, basically talking about WordPress tutorials, because I don't like to waste time and I really like to make beautiful websites, and I'm very thorough and very comprehensive in my tutorials. Now, one more thing I want to point out that you can learn from this tutorial is how to make pre-made layouts. So this right here is a blank page. Now I'm just going to go ahead and simply add in a home page, just like that. And there you go. Now you have a fully functional website that you have created in seconds, and you will actually receive one of these layouts in this tutorial. So you can expect to learn a lot in this tutorial. We will go over pre-made layouts, about how you can create websites in seconds, how you can fully master Divi and also improve your skills with the Divi theme. So if you guys are interested in making a beautiful and modern style WordPress website, enroll in my course. It's going to be a lot of fun. I am very thorough, comprehensive. We'll talk about a lot of cool stuff. So I'll see you guys in the course.